Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope that all of you will be fine, fit and fine. Today we are going to discuss about the types of software. What is the software? Computer, all of you know very well that the computer can understand only the binary language, that is digital language or digital numbers 0 and 1. Binary digits. Binary language consists of 1 and 0, typically in groups of 8 and 16 bits used for storing characters and numbers. Interacting with hardware. An ordered set of instructions given to the computer, it is known as the program, and a set of such programs that governs the operation of a computer system or its related device is known as the software. Yes, you can see in this picture, here is the hardware and software, system software and application software, and this user and system software and application software are the interface between the user and hardware. Types of softwares. Here we have the types of softwares. There are the two types of softwares: application software and system software. Further, we can divide the system software into different categories: BIOS, basic input output systems, and operating system, device driver, language processor. Application softwares further into divided into different softwares: word processor, spreadsheet, presentations, and database. System software. The function of all physical components of a computer system are guided by some instructions or program collectively, known as the system software. System software is also called the operating system. The function of all physical components of a program system are guided by some instructions or program collectively, known as the system software. System software means operating systems. So without operating system, we can't execute our hardwares. Okay. And first of all, we will install the system software, just like the Windows, Linux, Unix, and any other operating system. In the mobile, we use the Android. Major activities performed by system software are: reads data and instructions through the input devices, translates all data and instructions into computer understandable form, and vice versa. Controls all devices attached to the computer system, process and generates the result on the output device. System software. Operating system. Operating system is a set of system program that controls and coordinates the operation of the computer system. It provides interaction between user and computers. Yes, we already said that the system software means operating system. Operating system is a translator between user and hardware. Okay, it works as a translator between user and hardware. When the user gives the instructions to the computers, then it CPU or processor fetch all the instructions from the users. From the users means the instructions goes to the system software, then it will fetch from the system software, operating system. It is stored on the hard disk or any other external storage devices. Here we are talking about the operating systems. It is the first program to be executed on the computer after the BIOS, basic input output system. Need of operating system: it provides a software platform on top of which other programs called application programs are run. Major functions of operating system are device manager, memory manager, program manager, task manager, file manager, network manager, security manager. These are the tasks, these are the functions of the operating systems. Operating systems can do the different types of work like a manager. Okay, manage करना है उसको, files को, memory management, manage different types of memories, interface manager provide a user interface, program manager provide a structure for accessing applications. A device manager, as a device manager, communicate with hardware and attached devices. Task manager enables users to manipulate programs and data. File manager manage the files, folders, and directory system on the computer. Network manager provide basic networking structure for LAN and internet. Security manager, a smart operating system, also provides a minimal security to the computer system through authorization, username, and authentication password. User interface. It is the medium by which user interact with any software. This interface may be text-based, on graphical-based, or it may be touch screen. Based on the user interface may be categorized as CUI, character user interface, and GUI, graphical user interface. Yes, we have already discussed about this, the character line interface or character user interface, that is a DOS. Okay, and we have already practiced about the MD, CD, RD commands. Character user interface. This type of interface requires user to type each instructions on its prompt to send request to the computer. User must remember each command with proper syntax to perform its operations. It is not very easy and user friendly. Example of this type of interface was DOS disk operating system. It is still available with Windows as CMD program, where we can type the DOS commands. Yes, you can see in this DOS looks like this picture. C users VIN. Graphical user interface, that is a window. It is more user friendly interface than CUI, which uses images, icons, and represent the option command. Various UI components are used like labels, text box, buttons, checkbox, radio buttons, list box, combo box, password fields, menus, dialog box, etc. GUI interface is an event driven. User must perform event like click, double click, drag to trigger the action. Nowadays every operating system application are GUI based. This just like this user graphical user interface, we can see there's the username, passwords have the different boxes, text boxes, drawn down list, text box, label box, okay, radio buttons and button check box. Touch screen interface. A touch screen is a computer mobile display screen that allows user to interact with the application by directly touching it by hand or by stylus. The screens are sensitive to pressure. A user interacts with the computer by touching pressures. All of us use the touch screen phones. Okay. BIOS system software, we have already discussed about this basic input output systems. It is designed to be first set of instructions run by the computer when powered on. The initial function of the BIOS is to initialize the system devices such like the RAM, hard disk, CD, DVD drive, video display card, and other hardware. Device driver is a system software, acts like an interface between device and user operating system. All computer accessories like printer, scanner, web camera, etc. with their own driver softwares, and this driver software help the operating system and other application software to communicate with those devices for optimal use. Means device driver, whenever we plug in any external device, just like the webcam or any other printer, scanner, such type of device, then for this device we need a installation driver, that is called the driver for this hardware. Mostly devices comes with a device driver CDs, so we can install these drivers for the hardware. Okay स्टूडेंट्स, हम आज यहीं तक रखेंगे. ओके, आप इसको पढ़िए ध्यान से. टिल देन, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.